Hello and welcome, my name is Rana and you're watching Selldone. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a perfect terms of use page for your store. So let's get started. To add a dedicated page as terms of use, I choose setting and then menu. In the footer section I add terms of use. I refresh the store page and the page is added now. I click on the page and then Terms of Use section to create this page. Here I can write my desired content. I wrote my description in a Word Office file previously, so I copy and paste it here. If you tend to make your page more attractive, you can employ the designing and writing tools in Selldone. I can apply H3 as heading 3 for the titles. Now I save the changes. Here I click on the footer down the page and enter the Terms of Use page. You can see the added content here. Finally, at these places, you can ask and find answers to your questions. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.